How will you find this website? You have to type gyaaann.com and press enter. So you will find this website. We have three types of course. One is a long-term course of 1 year where the course fee is 599 rupees. Another course is of 6 months. It is a medium-term course. The course fee is just 499 rupees. And another course is available of 4 months where the course fee is 399 rupees. It is a short-term course, and I will suggest you not to pay a single penny before you see what actually you are going to get in this online platform. So this is my advice to you. Try it free of cost for a single day. So it is 1 day course. You can try it free of cost. Just click it, register your detail and press the submit button. You will be registered successfully and you can access the platform free of cost for a single day. If you find it helpful, then definitely you may think about paying money and joining the course. We have divided this online platform into 4 separate modules. Let us go through it. The first module is the video lecture. The second module is the easy to understand grammar content. The third module includes self-introduction, conversations, paragraphs and debates. The fourth module is an automatic platform to practice English grammar. Without any teacher, students will be able to practice English grammar and improve their writing and speaking English ability. Last but not the least, we have an online exam platform for the student to give online exam and get a result. Clicking this menu, you will get all the video lectures. It covers tenses, voice change, narration change, affirmative to negative and interrogative, direct to indirect speeches and many more. Clicking this menu, you will learn different types of introductions. Introductions which are informal, introductions which are formal and official, introductions for the freshers, introductions for the experienced candidates, introduction based on different job role, introduction based on different situations. So different types of introductions are available over here. You will be able to learn all types of introductions. There are so many introductions are written over here for you. If you learn these introductions, you will be able to do the mastery of the introductions. You will be able to prepare one of the best introductions for yourself and you will be able to present it in front of anybody to get a desired job. To speak English, it is very important to practice conversation. It can immensely impact someone's speaking ability. Here in this online platform, you will get many conversations. You will start with the short conversations as a beginner, and as you will develop speaking ability, then you will gradually move to the medium and long conversations. You need a partner or friend or brother or sister or anybody to practice it. If you couldn't find anybody, then don't be upset. You can practice doing these English conversations in front of the mirror, playing multiple roles yourself. It also includes many paragraphs, many essays, many debates for the students to understand it and to be able to execute it. All the chapters of grammars are covered over here. It has been designed in the easiest way for the student to understand it. We have separated each part of speech with a separate colors so that it will be easiest for the students to be able to understand it. Even the beginners and the kids will find it very easy for them to understand. It is one of the most colorful websites that has been designed keeping in mind that students and the beginners find it easy to learn and understand everything. It covers all chapters with many examples. It is an automatic practice platform to learn English grammar. You will be able to practice and learn English grammar without any teacher. You will have to solve the questions and your mistakes will be corrected by the system itself. It is definitely one of the best online English learning platform for the beginners. It covers all the important chapters of English grammar, starting from tense, voice change, narration change, affirmative to negative and interrogative, and many more. It also includes jumbled words and jumbled sentences. You will be able to learn new words and you will be able to learn sentence construction. So don't waste your time. Practice right on this platform. An extraordinary platform has been designed for the students to give online examination. The students will have to register their details to get an enrollment number. with that enrollment number, they will be able to give an online exam. 100 questions will appear one after another. Each question will have 4 options. The most appropriate option has to be chosen among 4 options. 2 hours will be given for completing all the questions. After completing all the questions in the result menu option, you will be able to get the result of it.